Let us solve this equation step by following BODMAS rule. So before we get into this equation, let's see what is the spelling of the BODMAS stands for. At the very beginning, we have B. B stands for the brackets and O for off. D stands for the division, M for the multiplication, and A stands for addition, and S stands for the subtraction. Now, if we see this equation, we will have to apply this BODMAS. So, at the very beginning, we have to solve the equation which is inside the bracket. So, inside the bracket, we have 2 plus 5 by 3. So, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 7 by 3. We have solved it. And then rest everything we will be writing as it is. We are not going to touch anything. We are not going to solve anything. We are going to write it as it is. Next, we will be moving on to O, that is off. So, 4 off 7 by 3. So, now 4 7s are 28. 28 by 3 and rest all remains the same. We are not going to touch anything. Next, we will be moving on to the D. As we have finished with B and O, we will be moving on to D, that is division. So, until we reach to division, we will be writing all the numbers as it is. So, here 10 by 5. So, 5 2s are 10, then rest the number as it is. Then division is finished. Now, we will be moving on to multiplication. So, before we reach to the multiplication, all the numbers as it is. Minus 2 2s are 4. So, we are done with multiplication as well. Then we will head on to the addition. Here addition is not a whole number, it is in fraction. Since it is in fraction and the denominators are not equal, we have to take the LCM. So, LCM of the denominators, that is 2 3s are 6. We have made the denominators equal. Since the denominators we have changed, even the numerator gets changed. Denominators 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3 plus 28 2s are 56 minus 4. So, we have to simplify here the addition before we head on to the subtraction. Let's simplify this addition. 56 plus 3 will become 59. 59 by 6. Then minus 4 as it is. So, in the BODMAS, we will be moving on to subtract. So, here one is fraction and the other is a whole number. So, we are converting the whole number as well to the fraction, and the denominator becomes 6. Numerator changes. 59 minus 24. 59 minus 24 is 35. So, 35 by 6 is the answer for our equation. I hope it's clear to you all. If you find the video helpful, like, share and subscribe and comment on which topic I have to make my next video.